What's the Gaelic for snowflake? Did you know when it's snowing, in Gaelic we don't say it's snowing. Canishin geveli a cur in tenechke, no rush in tenech. Literally, it's putting the snow or at the snow. Sho aku snech, snow, snech. Well, there's lots of options. Canimische bleejak, achakutjok kloyak, klatan. When it's very light with only a few snowflakes, she spiantaken aha shin. And when it's very lightly, gently falling, canishin geveli spianich in tnechke. Kleechak, a hailstone is a cloch vialain. Hailstones, clochan vialain. In Gaelic, we don't call it an avalanche, a loan word from French. Canishin muim snechke. Lányak, sinaku Bodach-sneachda, agus seo Bodach-sneachda. Blóhan. And you know the phrase, as white as snow? Ha sinak in Gaelic, chogial rishin tneachge. And we've also got another option. Chogial risneach na hun aiche. As white as the snow of one night. As white as fresh snow. What's the Gaelic for snowflake? Ha sin a réir, course a how.